How to check someone's location in Google Maps. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. If this video helped, leave a subscribe, and if this video helps, make sure to hit a like also. Now let's head to the video. First you open Google Maps. Once you open Google Maps, on the top right you'll find the profile icon. Click on that, and here you'll find an option of location sharing. Click on location sharing. Click on share location. Here you can share your own location for an hour or until you turn it off, and if a person has sent you their location, you can directly click on that link, and if they have enabled it for an hour, you'll be able to see their location directly, and if they have enabled it for the whole day, you'll be able to see it for the whole day. This is how you share location, or you check someone's location if they have shared it to you. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.